Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.